Hi everyone, imagine waking up to clean morning air, but it's full of invisible carbon. That's not fiction, it's how we are growing every day. So today I want to talk about how Australia can shift toward low carbon growth by aligning economic and climate policy as the goal SDG 30.2 calls for. My target audience is Australian Treasury and the environmental ministers because they present the country's economic and environmental leadership. This is the line chart compares the GDP growth and the carbon dioxide emissions from 2003 to 2023. It shows a clear trend. Emissions only dropped during two periods, the carbon pricing years and the COVID lockdowns. Afterwards, they bounced back. This tells us our economy is still structurally tied to emissions. Here is the concerns may rise. This is the carbon pricing will hurt a major industry. On the left, the bar chart shows the mining and the manufacturing still rely heavily on fossil fuels, but the line chart on the right gives us the hope. This shows Australians' input to output ratio decrease over time. This means we are becoming more efficient, using fewer resources to create the same economic value. And we already have proof. This chart shows Australians' greenhouse gas emissions from 2004 to 2014. In 2013, emissions fell by 1.4%, the biggest single-year drop in a decade during the carbon pricing period. It works, but we repealed it. This allows emissions have remained high. The lesson is not to avoid the carbon pricing, it's to do it better. So here are some suggestions that I'm asking the Treasury and the environmental ministers to lead. The first one is you'd better to invest with purpose. Commit to $2.5 billion over 5 years to solar, wind storage, and grid upgrades. These are real projects that deliver economic and climate value. The second one is we need transition plans. Ask high-emission sectors like manufacturing and transport to publish a roadmap by 2026. Provide expert support, but make it mandatory. The last one is to embed climate into budgets. From 2025, Treasury should model climate risks annually and build the results in infrastructure, trade, and national spending decisions. Now is the time to grow differently and lead and shift, please. This is my reference. Thank you.